Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download the latest version of Windows ISO file. For this, you don't need any USB drive. You should only need a good internet speed. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button below the video and also click the bell button so that you can receive new notifications when I upload new videos. Also click the like button.
So open your browser and type download disk image for Win10 and click enter. Select this first link. It will show a page like this. From this page, you should click on download tool now. And it will install my media creation tool. Double click on this. So this is the Windows 10 setup page. Now accept this license. Now it shows two options like this. The default option is upgrade this PC now, but you have to select the second option, which is create installation media for another PC, and click on next. So now it selects the option which is recommended for your PC, or if you want to change that, just select the stick icon. So if you want to install Windows 10 for one or many computers, this both option is good because I recommend this. It installs 32-bit as well as 64-bit. So I am doing it for my computer, so it is 64-bit. I'm going to just do the recommend option for this PC and then click next. So now select the ISO file and click next. So select the location. So now I'm going to download it in new volume D and just click on save. After doing that, the media creation tool will automatically download the Windows files. While this Microsoft Creation tool is downloading the Windows files, you can work on your PC. Just make sure that you have good internet connection. So with good internet speed, you can have this installed in about 15 to 25 minutes. After it has installed, click the finish button that comes over here and select the folder where you have installed it. So as you can see, the Windows ISO file has been installed. So that is how we install the Windows ISO file. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 with no data loss, and it's completely free. Thank you.